My name's Taehoon Kim. People call me TK. I'm co-founder and CEO of nWay. Yeah, nWay was founded in 2011. At that time, our goal was to bring competitive multiplayer games to emerging platforms. So we really built our expertise around cross-play gaming for real-time multiplayer games. We have really built expertise around fighting games, combat. Our netcode is like first class. We have rollback netcode. And yeah, we're really known for our fighting games. We've been doing fighting games for 10 years now. Rec League is a real-time PvP fighting game. It's going to be running on PC and mobile. Has some unique factors like, create your own mech. We're super excited about it.
We want to reward people for getting good at the game and being mechanically masters at fighting other players, but we also want to reward players for investing their time and resources into upgrading their characters. Hey, I'm Joe, lead designer here at nWay.
And I'm Jamie, the Associate Director of Product here at nWay. So from a high level, the blockchain gaming space is a challenge in its own right. It's still very new, still evolving constantly, and there isn't a blueprint for success yet, which makes it so that there's nothing for us to know what good looks like, even though there's been a lot of learning, so we have a general feel for that.
On the metadata side of things, it's been really interesting working with the design team to figure out what are the properties that we want to support combat, to support our core loop, and to support especially customization skills. How am I going to customize my playstyle and create the type of fighter that I want to play? Visual customization, how am I going to express my personality when PvPing someone else? It's really more of an opportunity to play with something cool that is uniquely your own. There's also the opportunity to go deeper, and you can chase after these really cool, crazy effects and looks if you want to again, make something uniquely, this is Joe's character, this is Jamie's character.
I think a lot of the integration with NFTs and blockchain that we're trying to build around is around that concept of, self-expression, of user-generated content. We want to have this as an opportunity for players to be able to build something that they can relate to, that they can own. And on the flip side, not everyone is necessarily interested in these concepts, and nor do they need to be involved if they don't want to. Making it optional as opposed to mandatory is something that we feel strongly about. And it's something that I think we do well in the game, to give people who are interested in this the avenue to chase it down. But people who are not and who just want to play a great game, they have that as well.
Hi, my name's Steve Kurogi. I'm the VP of Creative at nWay. The idea of robots were actually something that's really special for this game because we need to have the customization built in. With most fighting games, usually have an archetype that's basically fixed. Having the robots themselves give you the ability to customize with the themes of the game and make something truly unique, which actually works with a lot of what we're trying to do in the Web3 space. We'd imagine the world looking like Saturn, and the rings of Saturn. You see all the trash from all around the galaxy basically landing on this band. But what if the people on the planet were able to use these things to create something fun? How they put together these robots, how they fought them, and that's kind of the seed of what Rec League's going to be.
Hi, my name is James Pascual, and I'm an associate art director here at nWay.
I'm Chris Carranza, 3D artist here at nWay.
And I'm Christopher Zimmon, associate technical art director here at nWay. A lot of games that people want to go pretty realistic with their stuff, but the stylized look is really fun to do.
It's actually kind of a crazy evolution. If you actually see all the concept work that they did, they did hundreds, thousands of iterations.
We kind of came up with a hybrid version for the shader where it was tune shaded or cell shaded for main light, and then we used just normal lighting for rim lights and VFX so we could actually get it to pop.
These mechs that we were building, they were very interchangeable.
We're excited what people come up with, or to see what color combination we haven't tried.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I can't wait to see what the players actually come up with.